What up, everybody? It's your boy Stocks For Rell, Sacrifice for Riches, and today we're going to talk about how to trade options for beginners. It's the complete guide, comprehensive, just to get every new trader started in this game. Let's first start talking about why most new traders fail. Most new traders don't even know where to start, what app to use, how much to fund, or even what a contract is. I was there too, and I wish somebody gave me the full map. Right? So in this video, I'm giving you the entire roadmap, how to go from beginner to trading options step by step. Let's run it up. Step 1, set up your foundation. Pick a beginner friendly broker like Webull, Tasty Trade, or Thinkorswim. Open a cash account that keeps you safe from pattern day trading rules. Start small, fund it with $300 to $1,000 and focus on learning, not flipping. Okay, you don't need margin, you need discipline. All right. Step 2, learn stocks first. Okay, before you even touch options, get comfortable watching how stocks move. Build a simple watch list. SPY, QQQ, Apple, AMD, SOFI. These tickers have volume, liquidity, and clean price action. Perfect for training your eye, all right? Spend a few days just watching the charts, spotting support and resistance levels. It'll go a long way for your future in trading. You buy in demand, you sell in supply. You know what I mean? Step 3, understand options. Options are contracts that control 100 shares of stock. Calls mean you're betting a price goes up. Puts mean that you're betting the price goes down, right? Focus on the 3 key Greeks for now, right? Delta, which is how fast your contract moves with the stock. Theta, time decay. That's the silent killer that eats value every day. And IV, implied volatility, which impacts the price of your contracts. Keep your expirations within 1 to 2 weeks so you can actually see movement and learn how premiums change. Step 4, create your trade plan. This separates gamblers from real traders. Set a daily risk limit. If you've got $1,000 account, risk $50 per trade, no more than 100 total in a day. Target 20 to 50% gains per day. Okay. Use stop losses or scale out once you're green. Okay. The goal isn't to win every trade, it's to survive long enough to learn. Step 5. Keep your strategy simple. Start with the break and retest setup. Wait for price to break a key level. Pull back, reject, then enter once you get confirmation. Once this candle closed and I seen bullish momentum, the moment we broke, I enter calls. That's what you do. I just enter calls. That one setup alone can carry your first year if you master it. Don't overcomplicate the game. One consistent setup beats tens of random ones every time. Check it out. Step 6, master your mindset. Your first goal isn't to make money, it's to build consistency. Journal every trade, ticker, entry, and exit, and what you've learned. Over time, you'll start spotting your own patterns. That's when trading starts to click. Not when you win, but when you understand why. If this video gave you direction, share it so somebody else can come up too. Hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're serious about learning. This is Stocks For Rell, Sacrifice for Riches, and remember, it's always process over profits. All right, let's get to work.